This is lucky. I have a good feeling about this one. It flew 50 feet, took 3rd place, and I'm gonna teach you how to make it today.
All right, let's go. Woo! 50. I would say that's pretty lucky.
We're getting started with lucky. Per usual, you wanna make this fold right down the middle. I apologize if my head is covering the entire airplane. But you see this here? This is what I'm talking about. You see this misalignment here? A little bit. Maybe you can't see it on the camera, but these colored, whoever's cutting these colored papers just does not appreciate Hassan as much as the people cutting the standard white printer paper. Because these ones just don't align perfectly. See right there, it doesn't align perfectly. Well, what can you do? Maybe it's my fault. Maybe in this case I actually didn't align it properly. Let me try again.
We can delete the clip.
Nope, they don't align perfectly.
You wanna try another paper?
It's okay, I don't think they're expecting people to try to make perfectly accurate competitive grade paper airplanes with these papers. They're probably imagining people are doing what you're supposed to and like coloring on them. This green does look really cool though. So Lucky was interesting. I don't think we spoke about it much, but Lucky went pretty far. It was the 3rd place plane. I don't remember the exact distance, but it was a very good airplane. It flew far. It didn't take that long to build.
50 feet.
50 feet. That's no joke. That is a pretty far flying paper airplane. All right, and now, so far we're still doing the standard. Most planes start the same way. I think that's what makes paper airplanes so interesting is we have so many paper airplanes that look so different. But the foundation for most of them is the exact same. All right, I will fix this one because this fold was not perfect. Right, now we are going to fold to the middle. First press the center, then push back like this. This way it doesn't end up in a crooked fold. Don't get worried if you see these edges popping up, we'll just push these down. All right, now flip it back over, and we are going to fold it in half. All right, aligned pretty decently. Pretty decently. Fold it over, make sure this side is pressed down as well. All right, and now we're gonna go about yay far from the end and fold a directly parallel line to the bottom and then push up.
Would you say it's a finger?
I would say it's about yay far. Maybe one and a half fingers far. Probably about 1.5 centimeters. Maybe about 2/3 of an inch. I have no clue if those are accurate, or if those are like the same measurement, but we'll go with it. There is no fold in here at this level for you to feel, okay, this is where I have to go to. So, all right, push everything down. And now you're gonna open this back up. Make sure everything is nicely aligned. And now we're gonna fold this point down, and you're gonna go to where this fold meets here. So you're gonna feel the resistance. And you go, it's gonna pull on this. You're gonna feel, okay, I can't go any further. It is important to make sure that this is straight. If you go like this, crooked, then the plane will fly crooked. Lucky doesn't exactly have many complex folds, but these folds require some thinking.
A nice shape.
The plane, oh, okay. All right, now we're gonna fold the wings. The wings, you want to fold this line. Don't worry about any of this. Fold this line to this line. Now the other side. The other side is always easier because you kind of just align it with the first wing. All right. Now the feature that was common amongst most of the best planes, definitely the top 3, the flaps on the wings. So you're going to go a little bit beyond this point here. So you're going to go about right there. Just at a slight angle away from this line. It's not perfectly straight with it, otherwise I would go more like this. And not super at an angle, just a little bit. You can feel it out. Less important how big the flaps are and more just important that they're there. All right, and now turn it upside down, and just like everything else, get everything pushed and centered with your nail. All right, bring up the flaps. And that is how you fold Lucky.
Now let's get your end shot.